Now we are going to use a particular image which is present in our system, and how to give a particular image value, image src equal to, close the endpoint, alt equal to value, and I don't want to use any width right now. The alternative is, the name what I'm going to give in here is image in local system. Image is present from your local system. Control S. Let me check whether I'm having any images or not. It's okay, fine. Let me use this thing. Pictures. Yeah, I remember. In our desktop folder, in here I'm having some images. There it is. abcdefg.png, al.mp4. It is a video. It's okay. I need this one. I'm going to use this particular image, guys. I want to display this image in my web page which is present in my local system. That particular image and my image code both are present in same folder. Guys. So you don't need to use any other information. Simply you are going to use the name of that particular image, abcdef, and you have to provide extension also, jpg. That's it. Let's go to your output, refresh. Now if you see, I got that particular image also successfully because of the default values what that image is having. It is displaying like that. Let me use the width value, width equal to, let's make this thing as 25%. Control S, Alt Tab F5. Now I can see that particular image also. This is present in your local system. This is from your outside of your system. Unfortunately, I changed this particular path of image. I simply deleted this thing and I placed this image in my desktop, paste. Now I'm going towards my output, refresh. Now it is saying that image is in local system. Why it is displaying this message? Only if your src attribute is not working properly. Then only you are going to see this message. Why? But unfortunately, I'm having the image in here my system, but it's showing me that it is not working because the path is completely different, guys. The path. How to find it? Select it, right click, go to properties, location. The location is present in C folder, users, name and desktop. So copy this thing. Instead of this src, you need to first of all provide the path. After that, you need to give the slash and abcdef dot jpg. That's it. Control S. Now that image is also working. Let me show you one more example so I can clearly understand. img src equal to alt equal to another image. Is there any other image? Yeah, I think I'm having one more image. This is one type of image, download.png. Download.png. It is a PNG format extension, guys. You have to clearly provide the extension also, what type of image you are having. Must and should. The PNG image is also working successfully. So this is about using an image in your web page by using width attribute, by using height attribute, and by using alt, by using src. You are going to create an image. If you don't use any of these things, it's okay, fine, but src is must and should. Width and alt is completely optional, but src is must and should. I hope you understand about images. Thank you.